So if we want to make a printed circuit board, how do we find out what that footprint is? Well, this is where you are the ones that do the designing. So if you've committed to surface mount and you want the smallest components you can possibly use, that's going to dictate what footprint you use. If you're using through hole, if you're doing some prototyping or something, when you go and look in the trays there, you can get a ruler out and you can measure the length of the component and all the rest of it. That's going to give you the dimensions of it, and then inside multisim, or whatever the simulator is, you can then tell the simulator what the footprint is. If you get it wrong, so in other words, you've said that the resistor is, what should we say, 20 millimeters long, and it turns out to be 30 millimeters long, you're going to bend your legs round a little bit more, and if you've said it's, I don't know, you said it's 50, but in actual fact it's 20, it just means that your legs are going to be longer. So it's not the end of the world. Okay, if you get the footprint wrong, you can often work around it, but it's a lot easier to get it right in the first place. And once you know a footprint of something, you can save it in the simulator so that every time you use a resistor that's low power, regardless of its value, all you would do is take out of your library the footprint that you've already got. Now obviously I'll show you how to select those footprints, and once you've worked it out for yourself, it's pretty trivial, but it's time consuming. Okay? So generating that library in the first case can be a little bit time consuming. Okay, I think I've said enough about footprints, and I think I've said enough so that we can